Okay, let me just say here that if your first instinct on a question like this is to read this story and come up with the equation to satisfy this situation, your brain is broken. Algebra and school have broken your brain. You should not be doing algebra. You should not be coming up with an equation. They give you 4 equations here. Your job is to just test them and see if they work. You are a tester of the answer choices. You do not need to write an equation from scratch, okay? So get that out of your brain. This is a really bad way to think about the SAT. If your instinct was to write an equation here, you are not going to do as well in the SAT because your brain is broken. You do algebra way too much. So here's what I would do. Let's just look at this 2-shelf situation here. How many screws does it have? 3, 4, 5, and then 8 here, and then another 8 here. That's 16 together. Okay, well, that's 16 screws, and that has 2 shelves, so x is equal to 2. So let's just put that into our equation and see which one tells us that we're going to get 16. Well, 4 times 2 is 8, so that doesn't work. 2 times 2 plus 4, that's 6 times 2 is 12. That doesn't work. 4 times 2 plus 2, 4 times 4 is 16. That's looking good. We should check D just in case. 4 times 2 plus 3 is 20. That doesn't work. That leaves us with C, and that's the answer. Notice, I don't bother thinking about this in any deep way. I'm literally just counting the screws that they show me in the picture, and then I'm seeing if it matches with the equation. Your job is to test the answers that they give you. Don't feel compelled to come up with an answer like you would in school. You do not get points for showing your work and doing it the textbook way. Just get the answer as fast and as reliably as possible.